Good morning, students. Welcome to Shiv Bio classes. Today, our topics are types of asexual reproduction. In the previous video, we have discussed about binary fission and multiple fission, and in today's video, we will discuss about plasmatomy, budding, fine, and fragmentation and significance of asexual reproduction and some characteristics of sexual reproduction. Fine. In plasmatomy, there is division of multinucleate protozoan into small multinucleate daughter cells without nuclear division. A multinucleate protozoan parent, this is parent, this one is parent, this get converted into small multinucleate daughter cells without any nuclear division. Fine. For example, Apellina and Palomixa. Next is budding. This is also type of asexual reproduction in which parent body undergoes mitosis and form a bud, and this bud act as new individual. It has a free life. Fine. For example, protozoans, lower animals. In case of lower animals like sponges, and in sponges, Skyphi is the example of these sponges. In case of Coelenterata, Hydra. In case of annelids, Chaetopetes, and in case of tunicates, Selpa. Fine. Next is types of budding. First is exogenous. What do you mean by exo? Exo means external, endo means internal. Fine. The example of exogenous is Hydra. Like in this is Hydra, parental body that get undergo mitosis and form a bud, and this bud act as new individual. Fine. Next is endogenous. Endogenous means what? Internal. For example, freshwater sponges. The example of freshwater sponges is Spongilla and marine sponges, Cycone. Fine. In this parent body form a special mass of cells that is known as gemule. That is known as gemule, and under favorable condition, it gets germinated and form offspring gemule, and this offspring gemule are known as internal bud. I'm repeating, this parent body get converted into, or we can say this parental body form a special mass of cell that is known as gemule, and under favorable condition it gets converted into offspring gemule, and these offspring gemules are known as internal bud. Next is fragmentation. In this, breaking up of organism occurs. Fine. Examples are flatworm, microstoma. Fine. In this, an organism get fragmented like this, right? And each fragment act as new individual. Fine. Next is significance of asexual reproduction. We can get multiples of species. Fine. And there is no specific role of asexual reproduction in variation. Fine. Because there is no gametic fusion, and if there is no variation, then there will be no evolution. Fine. We get only stable genotypes. Next is sexual reproduction. Fine. Two gametes are involved, one is male and other is female, and special gametes are formed in this. These gametes are haploid cells like male and female, and the formation of gametes is due to meiosis, and the formation of gamete is known as gametogenesis. Fine. Next is fertilization. In this there is gametic fusion, and these gamete get fused and form a zygote. That is diploid. And is here, it represent what? It represents here haploidy. Fine. Next is, sorry, haploidy. And next is 2 and means diploidy. Third is embryogenesis. This is occur due to mitotic division in embryo. Repeated mitotic division occurs in embryo is known as embryogenesis. And fourth is development. Embryo get developed into a new individual is known as डेवलपमेंट. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब इट.